Hello guys, and welcome back to Writing Practices. Today we'll learn how to write an invitation letter for visa, a crucial document when inviting someone to visit you from another country. This letter is not just about extending an invitation, it's also a formal way of helping your guests secure their visa by providing them with essential details and assurances. In this tutorial, we'll stick closely to the template, breaking down each section in the exact order it appears. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to crafting an effective and professional invitation letter. Let's dive right in. Sender's information. We begin the letter with your personal details at the top. This includes your full name, address, email address, and phone number. For example, your name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section is essential because it immediately identifies you as the sender and establishes your credibility. Including your contact information ensures the recipient and any visa officials can easily reach you if further clarification is needed. Date. Next, we add the date. The date indicates when the letter was written, which is important for visa processing timelines. Place the date just below your contact information and format it clearly, such as date, like December 5th, 2024. Recipient's information. Following the date, you include the recipient's details. This section specifies who the invitation is for and ensures clarity for immigration authorities. Write their name, address, and city-state details like this: recipient's name, their address, city, state, zip code. This personalizes the letter while maintaining its professional tone. Subject line. The subject line concisely states the purpose of the letter. For an invitation letter for visa purposes, the subject would read, "Invitation to visit your country city." This line ensures that anyone reviewing the letter can quickly understand its purpose. Salutation. Moving on to the salutation, you'll address the recipient with a polite and professional greeting. For example, "Dear recipient's name" sets the tone for the rest of the letter. If the recipient's name is unknown, you can use a general salutation like "Dear Sir" or "Madam." Opening paragraph. In the opening paragraph, you introduce the purpose of the letter, inviting the recipient to visit you. Here's how the template phrases it. I am writing to formally invite you to visit me in city, state, country, from start date to end date. The purpose of your visit is briefly explained, such as to spend time together with family, to attend a special event, or to experience the culture of my country. This paragraph should be clear and straightforward, establishing the intent of the visit while highlighting its personal or cultural significance. For instance, you might write, I am writing to invite you to visit me in New York City from March 10th to March 20th, 2024, to attend my wedding and spend quality time with family. Body paragraphs. The body of the letter dives deeper into the specifics of the visit. You'll start by outlining the arrangements for the guest's stay. During your stay, I will ensure all arrangements are made for your comfort and convenience. You will be staying at your address or specify accommodation details, and I will mention any expenses you will cover, such as all lodging and meals, or specific expenses. This paragraph is your opportunity to reassure both the recipient and the visa officers that the visit is well planned and supported. For example, you will be staying at my home at 123 Main Street, New York, and I will cover all lodging and meal expenses. Adding this level of detail shows that you've considered all logistical aspects. Details of the invitation. Here, you break down the specifics of the visit into 3 key elements. The purpose of the visit, such as a family reunion. The duration, such as March 10th to March 20th, 2024. The accommodation, like you will stay at my home at address. This structured information makes it easy for the recipient and visa officials to understand the visit's intent and logistics at a glance. Supporting documents. To strengthen the invitation, you'll list the documents you're enclosing to assist with the visa application. These might include 1. A copy of your passport and visa, if applicable. 2. Proof of your relationship, such as a birth certificate or photos. 3rd, evidence of your financial ability to support their stay, like a recent bank statement. 4. Any additional documents, like an event itinerary or proof of accommodation. For instance, to support your visa application, I have enclosed a copy of my passport, proof of our family connection, and a recent bank statement demonstrating my financial ability to support your stay. This reassurance adds credibility to your invitation. Request for further communication. In the penultimate paragraph, you invite the recipient to reach out if they need additional information. The template suggests phrasing like, "Please do not hesitate to contact me if additional information or documentation is required to support your application. I look forward to welcoming you and ensuring your visit is a memorable one." This conveys your willingness to assist and makes the process smoother for everyone involved. Closing paragraph and sign-off. To conclude, you thank the recipient for considering your invitation and express your excitement about their visit. A warm closing like, "Thank you for considering this invitation, and I hope to see you soon," leaves a positive impression. Finally, end the letter with a professional sign-off, such as "Sincerely," followed by your full name, and that's how you write an invitation letter for visa. By following this template step by step, you can create a letter that's clear, detailed, and supportive of your guest's visa application. Thank you for tuning into Writing Practices. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on crafting professional letters. Until next time, keep writing with purpose and precision.